Here I have a dash cam by Veement Dash Cam. Now first and foremost, the camera itself is very lightweight with a plastic shell so it can withstand any wear or tear that comes its way. On the top here you have an adhesive sticker so it can just stick to wherever you place it, and I will demonstrate the stickiness in a second. But on the back here you have the camera with the power button, and then on the front you have the lens itself. Here you also have the rear or side camera with an extremely long cord. As you can see, it's folded up many different times and it's already way past my arm length. So you can put it virtually wherever you need it to go with relative ease, as well as a charger port that you can plug into your car here, and you can put the camera wherever it needs to go as well. Folded in half, it is about my arm's length here, so about 5.5 feet. And then you have this additional plastic tool here, fairly flexible but still pretty sturdy, as well as 2 additional sticky latches to help with assembly, as well as an additional sticky sticker. Here I am tearing it off and I'm just going to stick it against the wall, and it stays pretty easy, and it does not, I'm pulling at it, it doesn't really come off. I'm gonna have to use, it's on there pretty good. All right, this was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.